We'll guide you through how to remove silent mode on an iPhone. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on my iPhone, and so you've currently got silent mode activated. So when silent mode is on, this means if you go and get a phone call, a text, or another notification, it won't go and make a sound. Now I find this quite annoying because I end up missing it. So silent mode does have its use. For example, if you're at work or a meeting and you don't want your iPhone to make a sound, it can be useful, but you may want to go and have it on. So we're going to guide you through how you can go and remove it. Of course, though, you can always go and turn it back on and reactivate it again in the future. So there are different ways you can go about this as well. So you can go and watch this full guide to go and learn them. As there are different ways, and I'll go and give you some extra tips you may go and find useful throughout the video as well. So let's go and dive straight into this. Let's do this the first way. So what you want to do is go and open up your settings like so. When you go and open up the settings, what we then need to do is go and scroll down like so. And you want to go and find the option for sounds and haptics. You want to come into here. Now, you're going to see the switch at the top here, silent mode. So if you want to go and remove it for the first way, literally just hit the switch and it's then going to go and turn off and it will go and remove it. What you can also do here is increase the ringtone and alerts volume. If it's too quiet, making you think it's silent, you can increase it all the way and go make it much louder. So that is how you can do that. Alternatively, what you can do is you can also go and turn it off, or activate, I should say, and then turn it off or remove it by opening the control center. So drag down on the battery to open up the control center. If it's currently activated, that will go and be highlighted. So to go and remove it and turn it off, you can tap it and it'll then go and be removed. You can see silent mode is now off. And the last one I'll guide you through is actually with the button. So this button, or previously it was a switch, you can go and change the silent mode, remove or activate it. So if I go and tap and hold it, it will go and say silent, meaning it's now activated. If I go and tap and hold it, it'll go and say ring, meaning silent mode's now removed. That's it. If you found this useful, then leave a like for more.